For the first time, makakahawak na rin tayo ng Intel Core i7 9700K. Meron pong nagpa-build sa atin. It's a client. Gusto niya is i7 processor, RTX 2080 video card, 16GB RAM. Meron siyang 1TB na SSD, 2TB na hard drive, and separate SSD para sa operating system and applications. And then, ayun. Yun yung gusto niya. Pero hindi siya willing gumastos para doon sa mga accessories at saka sa mga add-ons. So, gusto niya lang is a performance build. Kasi most likely, kung titingnan natin yung pinapabuild ng client natin, it is for production at saka gaming. And, yung budget niya is 6 digits, pero may limits lang kasi ang gusto niya is ma-maximize yung budget niya para dun sa performance. So since may limit po yung budget, though it's a 6 digits budget, we help him by suggesting na mag 9th gen na siya since yun naman yung pinakahuling lumabas. Ang pangit naman kung magbibuild pa tayo ng 8th gen sa panahon ngayon, December na po, and a month ago, 2 months ago, na-announce na yung 9th gen, tapos ang bibuild pa natin is 8th gen. So, kawawa naman siya kung ang ilalagay natin na processor is phase out na. Okay, so samahan nyo po ako. Let's do this. And for you guys to also to have an idea kung ano po yung magagawa nating build with the 9th gen processor and 100K plus na budget. At the same time, kung ano magiging performance niya, because we will also be doing a benchmark. Yun nga lang, 2560 by 1080p lang yung resolution na meron ako. Ultra-wide 1080p lang yung meron ako na monitor. So, medyo may limitations yung gagawin nating benchmark. And we will do the benchmark with the latest game, Assassin's Creed Odyssey at saka yung Far Cry 5. And couple of games na most likely lalaruin with this kind of build. Though this build is not only for gaming, this is also for production. So, kung magbibuild kayo ng para sa pag-edit ng video, pag-edit ng photo, this is also one of the best build na pwede nyong piliin.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So that's it for the Intel Core i7 9700K. Yan po yung mabibuild natin if you are in a 100K plus budget, tapos ima-maximize natin yung components or yung budget mo para sa components for performance, and magiging secondary option na lang natin, or parang kumbaga we will be choosing for the back accessories and chassis para naman sa aesthetics niya. Like na rin po kayo if you have appreciated this build. And if you have any suggestions, comments, inquiries, feel free to comment down below. And for more videos soon, subscribe po tayo. May bibuild po kaming C700P water-cooled, in-win water-cooled, and isang 60K plus build featuring the RX 590, yung pinaka-latest po na nilabas ni AMD lately na GPU. Okay, so that's it. And till next